In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a CapCut link. By the end, you'll be able to send your project to teammates, clients, or friends in just a few clicks without downloading or exporting a file first. Start by opening CapCut on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser, whichever you prefer. Once CapCut is open, head to the project you want to share. You can pick it from your recent projects or open it from your workspace. Give the project a moment to load so all your media and edits are ready to go. If you've made changes, it's a good idea to wait for them to sync so the link reflects your latest version. When your project is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Share button. It's easy to spot and sits alongside other key controls. Click Share to open CapCut's sharing options. This is where you decide how you'd like to send access to your project. You'll see two main choices. The first is Copy Link. This creates a shareable link to your project and places it on your clipboard instantly. From there, you can paste it anywhere: a chat, an email, a task card, or a calendar invite. It's fast, simple, and great when you just need to get the project in front of someone quickly. The second option is Invite Collaborators. Choose this when you want to add specific people directly, so only they get access. It's helpful for controlled teamwork since collaborators can be invited to view or work with you, depending on your settings. After sending the invite, they'll be able to open the project from the link they receive. Once you have your link, share it anywhere that makes sense for your workflow. For clarity, include a short note like the project name, the purpose, and what kind of feedback you're looking for. That way, recipients know exactly what to do when they open it. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If someone can't open the link, ask them to try the web version of CapCut in a modern browser or to update the app if they're using desktop. If the share button seems inactive, wait a moment for your project to finish syncing. And if your project includes large media, give it a little time to process before sharing so others see everything as intended. That's all it takes to share a CapCut link. Open CapCut, open your project, click Share, choose Copy Link, or invite collaborators, and send it wherever you need. Thanks for watching and happy editing.